Welcome to part 3 of the Dalek build, where we're going to build part of the dome. Let's get started.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, let's unpack this, shall we? Today it's a different form factor. It's in a box.
Yeah, because it's chocolate.
Yeah, we got large parts, but it looks good. Alright, let's put the instructions to the side. We don't need them right now. And open the box. Let's see what we have today, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, so this seems rather impressive. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Part of the dome. And now you can actually gauge how tall the Dalek is going to be.
I didn't know it would be that big.
Yes, looks pretty big, isn't it? Dome. And what else do we have? Look at that, there's a lot of parts in here. Oh look, we even get a tool. How cool is that? Screwdriver, nice. And what's in here? What do you think? What do you think that is?
Maybe like the part of the Dalek, like in the middle, kind of its like neck,
I think this is where the eye
like
stuff
maybe
comes out.
around it, yeah.
And oh, we got a lot of small bags. Now you want to be careful not to lose any of these. So I'm just going to carefully. Oh my goodness, tiny screws. Right, now I'm going to do a little trick. I'm going to take a magnet and make sure they all stick together. Alright, what else do we have? More screws. Oh dear, different size screws. Alright, do the same trick here. So let's get a magnet and just stick them all together like that. Okay, what else do we have? Guess what?
What?
More screws.
Oh
Oh my goodness.
gonna have to get another magnet to get
Yeah.
stick them to.
Yep, I will. And let's see. What else do we have? We've got this, and this. There's a lot of small parts today. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful, Paige. That's actually metal. Very heavy.
Like
nice.
gold.
No, not gold. And another part also feels heavy. Oh, wow. Beautiful. And last but not least, a lot of small bits. Alrighty. Okay, I've laid out the parts, and let's have a look at part 1, where we turn over the dome and align it just here. That's the easy bit, and now we have a look at what's next. So we need these pieces here, and we need to align them here and here, just like the drawing. So just like put them in, and then we need to screw them. And let's have a look at the parts list. And we need the smaller ones, the BP screws. So those are those screws. All right. Let's quickly put the supports in place and screw them in, shall we? All right. Now, where does the next piece go, Paige? Let's have a look.
So maybe it could go, because there's a lot of these little bumps in the side.
Yep,
So maybe
they
one
go
of
here
those.
and here. So let's put these in, shall we? And another one. And let's have a look what screws we need to use. But now we have 2 little parts left, and the last 2 that need to go inside the dome. So by the looks of it, we have to turn the dome around like that. And we have 2 parts, and by the looks of it, they need to go here and here. Make sure you put the right part in the right place. And by the looks of it, this one goes on here. Let's see if we can snap this in place. And the other one on that side. That should be the last clip to hold the dome in place. And let's see, another 2 BP screws. I've turned the dome around, and all we have left are those front-facing pieces, which
Yes.
we can add in here, by the looks of it. Yep. And the other one goes on the other side. Let me just show you the camera a bit better. So they should fit in right there. Look at that. How awesome. And we turn this around carefully, and we've got 2 points for screws. One here and one there. Alright, let's do the last piece. This is the slot for the eye. And I don't think we need any screws for this. We should just be able to slot it in like this. And it should just snap into place. Like that.
Yes.
Now I did notice there's a lot of leeway. You can see there's gaps here. So it doesn't fully align up. It's actually this piece of metal actually pushes it apart. So, but anyways, here we go. End of part 3. See you in part 4, guys.
Bye. Like and subscribe.